Namaste, good morning. So, today I will show you how to perform Vaman Dhoti. It is also known as Kunjal Kriya. So, it is one of the Shat Karma, one of the Kriya out of 6 Kriyas of yoga. So, this is basically helpful in cleansing our stomach to this our food pipe and nasal region. From stomach to the nasal and the food pipe, the wash happens and all the impurities just get removed, whether it is undigested food materials, food particles, or whether it is extra acid that is being body is producing, or whether it is a cough or mucus accumulated in your air pipe region. So because of the vomiting pressure, everything, all these impurities are thrown away from the body. So for this we will be needing some water. So at least 1 to 1.5 liters of water or 2 liters of water, very good enough. And some salt, you can mix some salt. You can use pink Himalayan salt, that is much better than the white refined salt. And a glass and spoon to mix the salt and drink it. So we'll prepare a salt water. Either you mix it from before itself, or you mix it with the in the glass in which you are drinking. And we need to quickly drink the water. So drink at least 1 liter of water, and slowly develop the capacity to 2 liters. As much water we will drink, that much capacity our stomach will develop. So I will mix the salt in the water and I'll start drinking the water. Then we'll also use a bucket or anything in which you can do the Vaman Kriya. And after it is done, you can check how the water is it smelly, what is the color of the water, what is the texture of water. So likewise you will get the idea of your digestive system. And once you do it for throughout the week, later days, you will see that, oh, water is becoming much clearer, the cleansing is happening, and the overproduction of acid is getting reduced. Yeah, so like this we monitor. That's why we do it in the bucket. You can even do it on the directly on the floor, in the bathroom, but then you can't see how is the water. So I always suggest to do it in a pot, in a bucket, or in a tub, anything like that, so that you get the idea of how how the digestion is. And then you will be careful in your meals. So usually our meals affect this, so we need to monitor our meals also. If our water is indicating that so much of cough is coming, that means we should avoid having food that increases kapha in us. If we see it is acidic, it is smelly, foamy, so that means we need to take care of the acid foods, like the food that causes acidity. Avoiding acidic food and having more alkaline food will help in removing or lowering the acid generation. Yeah, and again, when we do it regularly, the bile production is in controlled form. As much acid is needed in the body, only that much will be produced. That's why the habit of overeating or no eating is being taken care when we do Vaman. We eat only that much, as much is needed, because only that much acid is generated and you feel full. Okay, so now is the time for preparing the water and drinking it. So we drink the water sitting in Malasana. That is the best practice to do it. If you can't sit in Malasana, you can sit on a small stool. That will give you the same posture, similar posture. And we will drink the water very quickly. We will not pause. हम जल्दी जल्दी पानी पिएंगे. And how much salt should be mixed? It should be similar as saline water. जैसे सलाइन वाटर होता है उससे सिमिलर एक सॉल्टी पानी आपको तैयार करना. नॉट सो मच ऑफ सॉल्ट, नॉट सो लिटिल ऑफ सॉल्ट. या दैट इज दैट अलाउ यू टू ड्रिंक इट. So this is my fourth glass of the water. So I am kind of done. So this is a big glass, like 250 ml of water could come. So I have drank around 1 liter of water, and just I will take a last sip, and then we'll do the next step. Now I will just stand. It is sunny, so I can't see if the video is getting properly recorded. So now I will just stand bending little front. I'll keep one hand on my tummy and with other hand I will tickle. And I'll make sure my nails are not big enough, otherwise it can scratch my throat. So I'll just rub my fingers on the tongue or I will just tickle. So that will allow the puke to come out. तो वो naturally वामन induce होगा. All the cough is also coming. If there is any cough, that will also be released. At the end again check if the water is left. So for me it is done now. I will just wash my face and I'll come back. Yeah, so I'm done with the Vaman Kriya, and just after doing it you'll feel quite lighter. You will notice that whenever we have puked in our life earlier, तो जब भी हमको उल्टी होता है, it is the time when we had food poisoning or maybe some infections in the body. So after vomiting, we feel so lighter, isn't it? Although the memory of vomiting is not good, we don't consider it as good, but later on after vomiting everybody feels lighter, everybody had some kind of a relief. So that is natural. Also animals naturally puke when they are sick. तो वो एक natural process होता है जो nature ने हमको दिया है. When like dogs and cats, you will see कि वो भी जाके ना vomit कर देते हैं. So that they will eat some of the grasses, जाएंगे कुछ घास वगैरह खाएंगे. They know that at the time when they are sick and they will puke. So now I will show you the texture of the water that has come. I'm not sure how much you could view it. So if it is visible, there is some cough, mucus, and it is foamy. And it has some smell also. So as you know, I am on vacation and here the food is being not in my control, and also I am enjoying my vacation. So that is the reason that we can see this. So अगर हम खाना जो है proper dinner early नहीं ले रहे हैं, late dinners कर रहे हैं. So that is the reason yesterday we had dinner at 11 p.m. because we have guests in our house and some guests came afterwards. So उनको खिलाकर फिर last में हम लोगों ने खाया. So that is one of the reason कि अगर हम लेट खाते हैं तो एसिड्स रहते हैं हमारे शरीर में और वो जो है निकलते हैं. The body produces that extra acid जो कि हमारे इसमें निकलता है वामन में. So that's why I would suggest to have a dinner as early as possible. तो उससे आपका कफ भी नहीं बनेगा और acid formation भी नहीं होगा. So have dinner before 8 o'clock as much possible. Before 8 o'clock you have your dinner, and then have at least 2 hours of gap before you sleep. So allow the body to digest it. For at least 2 hours you don't sleep, and then later you can sleep. 1.5 to 2 hours we should give gap between dinner and sleeping. Should not immediately sleep after having meals. नहीं तो फिर वो इशू होगा. अगर आपने 8 बजे भी खा लिया और 8 बजे खा के आप सो गए हैं तो भी यही आपको सिचुएशन मिलेगी. सोना नहीं है हमको immediately after dinner. So after this just have to do shavasana. तो आप जाके लेट के थोड़ा सा रेस्ट कर लीजिए and breathing करना है so that we relaxes this area which get stimulated while doing vaman. तो हमारा stomach, हमारा food pipe, हमारा जो nose nasal passage है, throat है, also like this is still okay. Some people who has like pitta, so their acid is more like more harming or what to say, like you may get sore throat also in case if the acid is quite more. सो क्या होता है आपको ना गले में एकदम खराश जैसा लगने लगता है. तो उसका क्या करना है, जैसे ही वामन फिनिश हुआ आप नमक के पानी से, गरम नमक के पानी से, द सेम वाटर इफ़ इट इज़ लेफ्ट और यू प्रिपेयर सिमिलर वाटर एंड गार्गल गार्गल इट. सो गार्गल करने से क्या होगा, जो आपका ये गले में जलन हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द एसिड्स, दैट विल कम डाउन. अदरवाइज अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे और अगर हमने ठंडा पानी नॉर्मली ऐसे कुछ खा लिया या पी लिया तो उससे वो बढ़ भी सकता है. सो इट्स बेटर टू गार्गल विद आफ्टर वामन. आप नमक के पानी के थोड़े से जो है गार्गलिंग कर लीजिए. दैट विल मेक श्योर कि आपको सोर थ्रोट ना हो. Yes, and Jalneti is preferred. After Vaman, we should actually practice Jalneti. So Jalneti में again the cleansing will be done with the salt water. So जो भी acids वगैरह भी रहेगा nasal passage में कहीं पे भी, so वो भी निकल जाता है. So if you have already learned Jalneti, make sure you practice Jalneti after Vaman, after relaxing in Vaman, or after you do Jalneti, then you relax in Shavasana. Otherwise आप gargling तो करिए ही. Okay, and have 30 minutes of gap in having your breakfast. Why? Because हमारा स्टमक का जो लाइनिंग है उसको अराउंड 10-15 मिनट लगता है दोबारा रिजुविनेट होने के लिए. सो वी कीप एटलीस्ट 30 मिनट्स ऑफ गैप कि वो अच्छे से हमारा जो है लाइनिंग रिकवर हो जाए. देन इट इज़ रेडी टू हैव एनी मील्स. एंड अगेन अवॉइड